This is a walkthrough of the Jerusalem control room, which can be a group effort or a one-man band operation. So we have our camera control, which is normally preset before the shows, but it can be tweaked as needed during a show. We bring over our switching panel. This will be replaced by a Ross switcher board. And several of these StreamDecks will be integrated into the new Ross switcher panel. So we have effects and commands for our show, and inputs and outputs, MEs, DDR for playback. Up here we have a controller for recording. So we can set our recorders here. And these ISOs are sent to recorders in our TX room. But we also have a backup recorder here. So you can record everything in the control room and then take the card to your editor. We have presets for changing the return feed to the studio. We have a timer with a bunch of presets. On this Streamdeck is our graphics controller. So it's running from the Xpression there, Xpression PC, but we control it here. Take, next, up, down, clear. The one behind it is our ME presets. So we can control our boxes from here. See all of our box control, single box, multiple boxes. We can also change the source of our boxes here, depending on the layer we want and how many boxes we're using. Next, we have our audio meter here. And then we have an audio control Streamdeck, which gives us our master preset. If anything's wrong, we hit that to start a show. To reset all the settings, we have mute, unmute of the mics. These are volume control knobs for different remote guests. They're now Zoom, not Skype. We have our DDR playback. And then here we can also mute or solo audios and dip the mics in case we get feedback or other issues. We have here 3 presets for our video wall. So we can add an image with a timer or turn off. We have presets for all of our lights, depending on the type of production we're doing. Camera control controls all of our PTZs, so we have ons and offs for all of those. We also have one button that turns off at the end of a production all cameras, lights, and the video wall. Up here on this PC, we have our audio mixer application if we need to get more in depth with it or have more control. And then this screen here is our remote session called QuickLink for connecting Zoom callers into our production. So this has been the overview of the Jerusalem control room, which can be operated with one controller, one operator.